The reason I spending so much time to looking around for different kind of 3D printer machine and technology, because the company I work for is spending a lot of money on 3D printing. Usually around $3,000 to $6,000 per month. To outsourcing, use this kind of HP 3D printer for nylon powder material. The reason we using spending this much amount of outsourcing is because only HP is big enough to providing certification for the material. Because most of the things we do is for the film park and other public entertainment. So the public safety is on the #1 priority. So everything need to have some kind of a certification to prove its safety and long-term durability. This is the workshop I'm going to move in. So you can see it's much bigger in size. So we're going to quite busy for picking up the thing to move in here. So I cannot produce some very detailed video. So I just make a quick editing video to tell you about the 3D printer. I recommend the company I work for to buy rather than a very detailed video about why and the comparison. Over some times, the LED of the printer already falling off. And right now I'm going to disassemble the printer to make it ready to move my workshop, because I'm going to move to a much bigger workshop to so I can ready for more better video prepare for you about the DIY project. So this few days I will be very busy until the end of this month and early August. So right now I'm going to remove this pool of the resin. On top of the printer, you can see I actually have painting several artwork of Batman test print to compare, try to do a compare. This one is all painting, painting by the phone tool. So I actually try to do a comparing painting video, but I really busy and I don't have time yet, because on my daytime job, I'm working on a very big film park project. Have a 7-meter high robotic monster, but I cannot show you what is it because under a non-disclosure agreement (NDA). So right now the printer resin bed have already been pumping into quite a lot alcohol to wash it out, and here you can see it's a lot of the alcohol from the bottle already been pumped into the printer to ready to washing out the printer to prepare for the packing. So and I going to put the painting back to the alcohol. Also try to washing out the paint bag. So it will be ready to packing up. So I hope you understanding, and sorry about cannot make a very sophisticated editing video right now because I need to packing up ready for the moving up to a very big, much bigger workshop, so I can do a better video in the future. So right now I cannot show the other printer I will recommend, but actually I will put a link in the description box about some printer I recommend to buy. Actually, to buy from the company I work for, because we also do a lot of the 3D printing in the company I work for. So I'm looking out for a lot of 3D printer during my work time or also my spare time. So I got a lot recommendation for the printer I will recommend you can buy, both for the company and also for you. But I don't have time to make a very detailed description why to recommend this printer. So you can have a look about, and I hope in the future I can make a much detailed video about why I recommend the printer in the list. After soaking the alcohol for some time, you can see it should be clean. There's some color of the gray color of the resin remain in the alcohol. Should be easy to wash it out. And here's a container of some used alcohol for the resin. You can see in the bottle there's some kind of milk-like thing. That's the resin color or resin remains separated with the alcohol in the bottle. This is a part Fonto sent to me after I order. It's it's nearly over 3 months to replace the resin disposal cartridge unit. And let's see what's inside. And this is the unit. So the resin cartridge is going to here, and this one will be pushing the resin nipple to release the resin. I think they have changed the design because this one is more become a positive one. The old one is so old one is metal one and more pointy, and this one is a positive one. And this thing can be replaceable. I think if it's getting dirty or something. Also, it can be removed to clean or something. And also the chip reading point have 4 pin. The old one have 2 pin. And this is the motor. I think what's the malfunction one is this. The motor is malfunction on the old one. So let's see how to replace this.